እመነኝ ይሄን ካወክ እንግሊዘኛ በጣም ቀላል ነው። እንግሊዘኛ በጣም ተራ ነው። ተከታተል። እሺ ፕሬዘንት ፖዚቲቭ አይ ዩ ዊ ዘይ ሃቭ አይ ሃቭ ዩ ሃቭ ዊ ሃቭ ዘይ ሃቭ ነው የምትጠቀመው ብራዘር። ሂ ሺ ኢት ሃዝ ሂ ሃዝ ሺ ሃዝ ኢት ሃዝ። ኦኬ ፕሬዘንት ኔጌቲቭ አይ ዩ ዊ ዘይ don't have he she it doesn't have I don't have you don't have we don't have they don't have he doesn't have she doesn't have it doesn't have okay positive question ሲሆንስ I we they you ፕላስ ሁሌም have ነው የምትጠቀመው do I do we do they do you plus have do I have do we have do they have do you have okay does he does she does it have does he have does she have does it have ብለህ ትጠቀማለህ ማለት ነው። እሺ ፖዚቲቭ ፓስት ላይ እንግባ። are you we they he she it had ትጠቀማለህ። I had you had we had they had he had she had it had ፖዚቲቭ ፓስት ላይ ይሄንን ነው የምንጠቀመው። እሺ ፓስት ኔጌቲቭ ላይ እንግባ። are you we they he she it didn't have እሺ I didn't have you didn't have we didn't have they didn't have he didn't have she didn't have it didn't have ፓስት ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆን ነው የምንጠቀመው። እሺ ሌላ አንድ ነገር ልንገራችሁ እዚህ ቦታ ስላልበቃኝ ነው። ፓስት ኩዌሽን ሲሆን did you did I did we did they did she did he did it plus have ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። ይሄን ካወቃችሁ እንግሊዘኛ በጣም ቀላል ነው። መሰረታዊ ነገሩ ይሄ ነው። በቃ እኔ በየቀኑ አንዳንድ ቪዲዮ ስለምለቅ ይሄን ቤት ፎሎ አድርጉ። ሼር ኮፒ ሊንክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛልኝ። ወዳችኋለሁ።